Oh, hi. So, today we're making pastas, spread pasta, I mean. So, we're going to, well, this is cold water, so, okay, so we're going to put a little bit of, oil. We're going to put a little bit of salt. So, this is salt right here. This is oil. So first one is this one. That enough?
Little more. Little more. Little more.
Done? Okay. Now let's put some oil. Tell me when to stop. Stop?
Little more.
What?
Little more.
Ooh, wow. Bubbles. You see all these bubbles popping?
Okay.
Whoa, that's so cool. Look at them. Now we're going to boil. Now we're going to put the pasta in that boiled water. You want to go check it out? Let's go check it out. So this is my grandma right here. She always fart us when we are doing a video. Well, that's okay. So this is grandma. She talks like mine. We talk in cry too. So check out the boiled water. Come on, let's go. What? Why are you saying that? Now we're going to pick tomatoes and basils. Now let's go outside. Oh, look at this. It's walking. Whoa. Look. So look, Mommy was this crabapple tree and it takes so much sour. Ooh, we'll get this red one. Here. Want one?
There it is. Sour.
It's so sour. Ugh. Ugh. Mommy, here. Why do you like sour?
It's so loaded.
I kind of like that sour, you know that? Some apples. Here's our tomatoes. Ooh, look at this one. It's ready.
Yes.
Baby, look, do you see this color? It looks so hot.
Yeah.
Hot color.
Hurry up and pick it.
A hot galaxy. This looks kind of like a hot galaxy. Look, tomatoes.
Coming.
Try it. My dad. Look this. Look here. Try to poop. Look at that. Yay! more. Our grandma has more. She made this for a while. And I don't know why my grandma likes to pick when she do that like cucumber all the way over there. Now that's the place where she burns stuff. She
Really?
likes to burn stuff or something.
She likes to burn stuff?
You think this is gonna?
A little bit more.
What are tomatoes right there?
It fell here. It's
That?
over there. There's plenty right here, G.
Which one is? Beep. Oh! Hey, come look at this. Come look at this. Come look at this. Come look at this thing. What in the world is that?
That's cucumbers. It got too old. Yeah, it's too ripe.
Ew, what in the world is that?
Oh, that just has something in it.
Ugh. What's that?
That's good enough.
I knew that was good enough.
Ooh, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this.
Oh, look at that.
Papi.
Oh, that looks so beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. That looks so beautiful.
That's a purple pepper. Yeah, we forgot to get peppers. Like this.
Look at this.
Gee, you don't. What the heck?
Oopsie doopsie. They escape. Okay, so now we're straining the pasta and then we're going to cut the tomatoes. So we cut the tomato because we need to make tomato sauce for the pasta. Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
Whoa! That smelled pretty good. We're going to add cooking wine. Oh yeah, that kind of looks like water, but it's not. So let's pour it in. Now we turn. Oh, look at this one. Now we add some cold milk. I love milk. Now we stir it. What's up? Adding pepper and we just poured milk. So we're pouring pepper. So it tastes a little bit salty or something. Look at this big jumbo shrimp. Look at that. Big jumbo shrimp. Now we're going to put this big jumbo shrimp in. Jumbo shrimp in? Whoa. Okay, now we're going to put some Goula cheese in there, and we need to put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, 5.
One more for luck.
4, 6. Why not 2 get luck? Why? Now we're going to pour the pasta in, and now we pour on the Parmesan cheese.
Pour it in.
The whole thing. Now we pour the basil in. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, now I got to try the pasta. Tastes good. Tastes good. Okay, this is it for today. I'll see you next video. Bye!